Are you ready to turn your creativity into cash? Today, I'm going to show you how to create stunning wall art in Canva that you can sell for a profit. Whether you're a designer or just starting out, this method is simple, effective, and totally beginner friendly. First, start by choosing a niche. This could be anything from inspirational quotes, minimalist designs, abstract patterns, or even trendy digital art. Focusing on a niche helps your work stand out and attract the right buyers. Next, jump into Canva and start designing. Use high quality elements, play with fonts, colors, and layouts that resonate with your niche. Keep your designs clean and visually appealing, because presentation is everything when it comes to wall art. Once your designs are ready, save them in high resolution formats suitable for printing, like PNG or PDF. High quality files ensure your customers get professional looking products. Now, create mockups to showcase your art. Mockups help buyers visualize the product in real life settings, which increases the chances of making a sale. Canva has built-in mockup tools, or you can use other platforms to make your designs pop. When it's time to sell, list your products on platforms like Etsy. Optimize your listings with clear titles, descriptions, and keywords so your art reaches the right audience. Bundling multiple designs together can also boost sales and provide more value to customers. And that's it. With the right niche, eye-catching designs, and smart listings, you can start selling wall art in no time and turn your creativity into a steady income stream. If you found this helpful, make sure to give it a try and watch your designs come to life in the marketplace. Your next profitable wall art could be just a few clicks away.